रिपेर कर म्हणून आनी सांगचें म्हटल्यार हे जंक्शनाक कितें म्हणटा तें हांव तुमकां सांगता. हेका म्हणटा ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल विथ स्पीड राडार. ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल विथ स्पीड राडार MRD 2 तिसवाडी 403005. जरी तर जंक्शनाकूच जरी तर म्हणटा ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल विथ स्पीड राडार जाल्यार हिंगा ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल खंय आहा. आनी पयलीं म्हणटाले ते आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्साचे सिग्नल घालतले आनी घातलेले तेणी आनी चलनां येताली ऑटो जनरेटर चलनां येताली कोणें स्पीड ब्रेक केली वो सिग्नल ब्रेक केलें जाल्यार. पूण आतां कांयच ना. आतां सगळें डिसऑर्डरली जालां कोणाचें कशें वयता हिंगासोर सिस्टम म्हूण ना. पुलीस रावता हिंगासोर बरें म्हटल्यार सिग्नल ही बस हे रावंक जाय ट्रॅफिक पूण ते डायरेक्ट वयता आनी पुलिसां कडेन कंट्रोल जावंक शकना. हिंगा सिग्नल इज ए मास्ट म्हणटकच आमी जाता उलो मारता गव्हर्मेंटाक आमच्या सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर नितीन गडकरीजीक that he should look into this matter. Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, we are now standing on this National Highway 66 and 748. This is a major junction on this two highways which are connecting on this junction. And these signals are not working for more than 1 year. Even one girl of about 22 years had died about 8 months back. And people passing through this road, which is used by people from Mercedes, Chimel, Bati, and Purka, they, especially the two-wheelers, are at great risk, high risk, because without signal monitoring the traffic flow, they are at great risk. So we urge you to please look into the matter personally and ensure that these signals are restored at the earliest possible so that valuable lives of the people are saved.
Maybe Brother, maybe Sir I am here just to bring the notice of the authorities about a signal which is not working for more than 1 year. Now our court is there existing and the traffic which is coming to the court is so much, is unbearable, and without the signal it is uncontrollable by the police. You can see the police, some of them are doing real duty and some are just standing because they are tired, could be overall overloaded. I am not naming the police whatever it is because the work is hideous in the hot sun. But this main highway, the two main highways are meeting here and the load of Panjim is fully on this signal. And when this signal is not working, a lot of confusion takes place, a lot of accident takes place. And it is seen that while crossing, if the signal is not there, anyhow the scooter is moved or the cars move and there is a clash and they get blocked. And to clear that, police is finding it a lot of difficult. Now this signal should be repaired as early as possible. This is a request for the government to react it, and especially the special intelligence part which is taken is the cameras should work so that the system will work together along with the public, and public will have a benefit of this signal. Again, I am requesting on behalf of the full committee and the villagers of Mirsik and surrounding that we need this signal to be repaired as early as possible. Artificial intelligence should work so that people are also aware that they cannot speed it up and the speed level is melting. Thank you.
No.